Dear students, welcome back. In the previous session, we have discussed about intertransverse ligament, and now in this session, we are going to discuss about interspinous ligament, which is also one of the ligament of the intrasegmental ligamentous system of the spine. Okay, so this interspinous ligament. So this ligament, which is composed of thin fibrous sheets, which is connecting the spinous processes of the adjacent vertebrae. Here you can find this one is the interspinous ligament. So this ligament is present within the mobile segment only. It connects the two adjacent vertebrae spinous processes. Okay, so there is a sheet of fibers connecting from the root of the spinous processes to the apex of the spinous processes of the two adjacent vertebrae. Okay, and such kind of interspinous ligaments we can find from C1 vertebrae, in between C1 C2 to in between L1 and S1, sorry, not L5 and S1. Okay, we can find in all these segments we can find this interspinous ligament from cervical to the sacrum, lumbosacral region. Okay, so this is the attachment of the interspinous ligament, and also the interspinous ligament anteriorly blends with the ligamentum flavum, and posteriorly it blends with the supraspinous ligament. Okay, and this fibrous sheet consisting of type 1 collagen, proteoglycans, and having more elastin fibers. Okay, if you see the function of this ligament, so this is one of the ligament which is considered under posterior ligament complex. Okay, so what happens during flexion? So during flexion of the vertebral column, so here we can see this becomes the flexion of the vertebral column. What will happen? The fibers are going to stretch. So the interspinous ligament fibers are going to stretch along with the supraspinous ligament. Okay, that means this ligament also limits the forward flexion. If you see the hyperflexion of the vertebral column along with the supraspinous ligament, this interspinous ligament is going to fail. That means both the supraspinous ligament as well as the interspinous ligament is going to tear during hyperflexion of the spine. Okay, and the interspinous ligament is innervated by medial branches of the dorsal rami, and this is one of the cause for the low back pain. Okay, this interspinous ligament have more function in the lumbar region. Okay, so here in the lumbar region the fibers are broader and thicker, and it is in the form of quadrilateral in shape, whereas in the thoracic region also these fibers are broader and thicker. Okay, and these fibers are not well developed, only slightly developed in the neck region. Okay, and in the neck region it is commonly considered as a part of the nuchal ligament. Okay, so these are all the structure and function of the interspinous ligament. In the next session we are going to discuss about the kinematics of the spine as a whole. Thank you.